Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We need to refresh the chat because I have no idea who's on the screen right now. We've got Geoped first in the chat. Frank second in the chat. No toast, no toast, no toast, no toast, no toast, no toast. Honorarium, honorarium, Geoped, CD Wit. We got honorarium, Geoped, honorarium, no toast, honorarium, 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 CD Wit, Nig F. Good morning to you, Nig F. We got Johnny Quest, no toast, Johnny Quest, honorarium, Johnny Quest, honorarium, honorarium, Kalito, honorarium, Johnny Quest, Geoped, honorarium, Peter, Old Rounder, honorarium. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here today. Let's check the market out. That is not the market, but I am telling you right now, this T coin right here has been ripping all morning long. Absolutely no pullbacks in it whatsoever, guys. This is a strong one. Already sitting at an $8 million market cap. Literally came out last night at 11 o'clock, right? I saw it when I woke up this morning, and it was already up. I'm thinking, my gosh, dude, this coin is already like 200,000% increased. Can't get in now. Now it's at a 600,000% increase. Oh my gosh. Literally, it's done nothing but go up. I did try to get in this morning, but for some reason, Radium was not working for me. So I don't know if you guys tried to trade any coins. Let me see if it will work right now. Let's see if Radium will actually work, because it was not working this morning. Yes. Let's get... No. Let's get that address. Yeah, it's already... I can tell it's working already. Alright, yeah, now it's working. Theoretically, I could get in if I wanted to get in right now, but I don't know if I'll jump in on a red candle like this or not. But yeah, Radium was not working this morning, so I couldn't get in. But it is working right now in case anybody wants to go out there and trade some Solana-based meme coins, man. According to the team members, a beta should be deployed in Q1 as long as everything goes smoothly, which so far they are solid. You talking about Pulse Swap? What are you talking about, John? Honorarium. Awesome, bro. Glad to hear that. Heck yeah. Kalito, what's going on? It was nice to be able to speak to Steve, though, to get the developer's perspective on clarity and technical moves which will need to be made. Very nice, Honorarium. Johnny Quest, very cool. That's good news, Dark Bro. It is, man. Sausages, what's going on, Peter? Good morning. I'm off today and tomorrow, so I'll be able to hang out today. Honorarium. So glad to have you hanging out with us today. Let's check the market out real quick, see what we got going on, because we did not do a market recap, and my goodness, dude, Bitcoin sitting at 42,000. Dude, Bitcoin ripping from 38,000 to 42,000 over the last couple of days. Man, I'm telling you, we can get nervous about these pullbacks, but Bitcoin's strength is just stinking relentless, man. Coming down, bouncing off these levels, wicking down here, testing 38, but already ripping back up to $42,000. I mean, look, this is the green type of candle that you see that takes it to these next levels. When you go from 40 to 43, from 40 to 43, from 42 to 46, from 44 all the way up to 48. I mean, it is crazy that the green candles right now are far outweighing the purple candles. And Bitcoin seems to be doing very well. Therefore, the entire cryptocurrency market is doing well. Bitcoin is up 4%. Shib, Ethereum, and Doge all up about 2.5%. You've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $4.21 today. Shiba Inu coin back up above 900 points per coin, sitting at 910 points per coin. GameStop sitting at $14.57. Bitcoin, 41,900. Running into a little resistance at 42,000, but hey, man, we're going to break through it. I mean, even if we fall off of it, we're still doing very well on the day today. NASDAQ up 0.16%, really bouncing around today. NASDAQ trying its best to get back up above this ascending trend line, and it seems as though though it really, really wants to. So the NASDAQ looking good at 15,534 points. Dogecoin, 8 cents. Ethereum, $2,276. You've got Shiba Inu coin, 910 points per coin. 41,900 on Bitcoin. The SPY, 488. QQQ, 426. Mullen Auto, 673, down near those all-time lows. Sundial, sitting at $1.42. Netflix, 578. Highcroft Mining, 207. MPW, 331. Tesla, sitting at $184. Amazon, 160, man. Amazon just ripping to fresh new highs, $160. We've not seen these levels on Amazon since very early 2022. Guys, I don't know if you believe this bear market is over, but the charts are telling you the bear market is over. In Apple trying to bounce off that level of resistance at 199, this all-time high, and Apple coming back down to $193, and right now at 94 cents, down just a slight 0.12% on the day today, but Apple might be due for a little bit of a curl back over as it's testing that resistance level once again. Seems as though it doesn't want to break it today. What does want to break to a fresh high? Bitcoin. Watch that bad boy down here in the bottom left-hand side of the screen and watch it rip higher. So, Claybro, a little rundown. I spoke with Steve, the developer for Paul Chan, about all the migration and deployment questions that I had, since it's not my project, but we covered a lot of information. There's a couple different ways it can be done, but overall, a great chat. Honorarium, man. Dark Bro, you're going to know a lot more than I'm going to know at this point. About migrating to different blockchains, networks, and so on. Let me ask you this, dude. Is it going to be hard? Because any sort of like multi-chain blockchain, like PulseSwap is wanting to accomplish, does not, to me, seem like it's something that would be very easy. It seems like it would be something that is very complicated. So if it's easy, that's awesome, man. I mean, if it's a click of a button, that's awesome. Now, I would... do you have to give them like contract information? Do you have to give them access to anything like that? Or what does that look like, Dark Honorarium? What's causing Bitcoin to pop? Russell, very good question. So I was thinking about that this morning, and I came up with two possibilities. Number one is just a technical bounce. Number two is Ethereum ETF news. So let's take a look at both of these and why both of these could be a possibility. Of course, I don't know if any one of them is going to be deemed absolutely correct. So a technical bounce would make sense, because Bitcoin came down here, and if you look at these candles, wicking down like this, and then the bulls pushing it back up. This candle right here indicating that the bears could not finish the day strong. We come back up to this 40,000 level. Same deal here. Wicking down to 38.5, bears couldn't finish strong. We come right back up to this 40,000 level. The next 2 days, you got two bullish candles here, but the bulls on this one actually fighting it out a little bit better and trying to bounce higher, but the bears pushed it back to that $40,000 level. Today, we bounced off that support. We couldn't close below the 40,000, and of course, we're ripping up to 42,000 to test the next level of resistance. Resistance. So, technical move on one hand. On the other hand, the Ethereum ETF from BlackRock, it did not get denied, it got delayed. I believe it was late Wednesday that their application went through, and traders started to digest that information yesterday into today. And that information right there depends if you're a glass half full or glass half empty kind of guy. The Ethereum ETF getting delayed means that it did not get denied, okay? And if it didn't get denied, it simply means that it still has a chance of passing. So the delay instead of the denial could be viewed as good news, which could also be driving cryptocurrency prices even higher. The SEC could come out and simply deny the Ethereum ETFs, and then we're going to be stuck with a Bitcoin ETF for who knows how long, and potentially no other cryptocurrency ETFs for the foreseeable future. The delay means it's still game on, and March is going to be coming right around the corner very, very soon. Where are we going here? So hopefully that answered the question, Russell. It seems that Bitcoin had a buy signal on TD sequential yesterday. The confirmation is here, and it's, or as it looks like, the count will probably reset at today's close. Well, dude, if it had a buy signal yesterday, old rounder, it was definitely a good buy signal, being up about 5% on the day today. Silly Lillian took it up 4,000%. I wonder what happened. I did not see that, Jason. I did not see that was up 4,000% today. I've basically been looking at this T coin, this T token, all morning here. I was watching this one, and thank goodness, I'll tell you, I traded Jesus Crusto. I traded Jesus Crusto yesterday. I got in, got out like 5 minutes later, made about 10%, and thank goodness I got out, right? Because this price is down. It's actually back up kind of nice here. This price was down heavy today. So I actually got in yesterday as it was riding here and got into this blue line and then got out, I don't know, must have been in this area right here that I got out. Thankfully I did, because it came back down and then it hasn't looked back yet. I had planned on getting in this area right here, but it never, this is the beautiful thing about support levels and resistance levels, right? If it would have began to bounce off of this support level and show some upside momentum, I would have had no problem getting in and trying to ride it back up to a 2-3x gain here. It never bounced off that level and just continued to come down all night long. And I believe that this the yellow line that I have on the screen was roughly around where we are right now at $100,000 market cap. And this coin was trading at like $500,000 market cap yesterday. So here we are. You know, I would have rode this coin down if I would have gotten in here. I would have rode it down from $130,000 market cap all the way down to a $30,000 market cap. But anybody brave enough to get in down at this level of support at a $30,000 market cap and probably $10,000 in the liquidity pool, jumped in, and they're already tripling their money, and we're still not even back to this level of support that I considered getting in yesterday. So this one is on the move right now. It's currently on a price increase. I don't know if it's going to now use this as resistance and get rejected off of it or what the deal is, but this one could be making... Oh, jeez, I'm terrible. This one could be resurrecting right here, right? But the coin you guys want to watch all morning long, this one. I don't know if YouTube wants me to say the name of this one or not, but this one has been on an absolute tear today. This one has gone from literally $0 in valuation, 5 zeros, and roughly this is 7 zeros and a 2 down here when it launched. But, you know, unless you would have gotten in on the first 5-10 minutes, which how the heck would you even know about this coin in the first 5-10 minutes? Yeah, getting in at 6 zeros and a 1 down here would have been impossible. So by the time I actually woke up in the middle of the night and checked this stuff. Must have been here. I saw this coin trading at like 5,000-6,000 points per coin this morning, or 5-6 points per coin, whatever we're calling it. And of course, it has tripled in price since then. It has done nothing but go up all day long, and it came out last night at about 11 o'clock. So I don't know if this is going to be a major pullback here or what, but already sitting at a almost $8 million valuation right now. Man, this is one to keep an eye on if it pulls back. This one might be able to run pretty decent. Chris, thank you very much for the one green name. Rune Sates, grabbing that green name. Chris, I thank you very much for sending that green name out there. Rune, if you're in here, man, please say thank you to Chris for sending it. And I don't know if Rune is in here. If he is, he's not very active. But the rest of you, please say thank you to Chris for sending that green name as well, and making sure everybody in here has a beautiful green name and not a Superman Gaming gray name. I'm messing with Superman Gaming. I'm messing with you. Let's see. Bought some more Dragon Coin last night. Nice little pump today. Caesar, man. Very, very good. But, of course, I will do what's best for all of us. And once I actually have a chance to read everything in detail, I can speak about it a lot more and what path we will take. Very nice, Honorarium. Hello. Thanks for the awesome video updates. I'm starting to hit like on your videos because of how informal they are. A great job. Keep it coming. Now, I don't know if you mean informal, or informational, but Superman Gaming, thank you very much. And yeah, I'm just messing with you, man. Russell's gray. If Roulette Wheel's gray, if he's in here, if he's gray as well, don't worry, man. But thank you very much for clicking the like button on those videos. I'm telling you guys what, the video views are down right now, which is always a little discouraging to see. So when you guys say stuff like that, man, that you're clicking the like button, that you're watching them, you're sharing them, it means the absolute world. So thank you guys very much for any positive feedback. Yeah, Roulette Wheel is in here. So you got your great name company out there, Superman Gaming. No worries. Solana like the new casino, replacing Ethereum, it seems. Yes, Malcolm. Solana definitely replacing the Ethereum coins in terms of meme casino, because, dude, there's no gas, man. You could go out there and get ripped in Ethereum fees, or you can go out there and trade these Solana memes and do so extremely cheap. So why would you want to go out and get ripped in Ethereum fees when you can go out there and get not ripped with Solana fees? Year of the Dragon starts February 10th. Japan loves their crypto. Let's get started. Is Year of the Japan, is that Japanese or is that Chinese, man? I don't know. I don't know what kind of calendar that is. All I know is the January, February, March, April, May. Oh, that calendar. That's all I know. I don't know anything about these other calendars. Let's see. Baby T, Rap BNB, J Bones. Let's see where we're at. We got some baby T's out there, man. Is it ripping today too? Okay, look at this one. I also saw JB and you could probably say Obama. Oh, yeah, I can probably say Biden on YouTube too. I saw those guys trending, and they got dumped off this morning in the price of their cryptocurrencies. So let's see what this Shi guy is trading at today. 200. All right, never mind this coin. This is fake news. 38 cents in the liquidity pool. $213 million market cap. No. So just ignore this one. This is fake news on the trending page there. Are we looking at this one or this one? 6 days ago or 8 days ago? Smokes, man. Let's look at this one because it's up today. The other one's down 70%. Alright, well, I will be watching out for this one as well. This one may have already run its course. If it did not run its course, this could be an excellent time to get in. I mean, look at this. It ran up today, 12 zeros and a 9. It's back down to 12 zeros and a 1-3. It does seem to have locked liquidity. I mean, I don't understand why 11% of the supply is only locked for 4 days. It doesn't make any sense, only locking it for 4 days. But, yeah, you know what? Only locking it for 4 days like that, man, I would be a little bit concerned. I'd be a little bit concerned about this coin right here. Having come down this far already and only being locked for 4 days. I just, yeah, I don't know about that one. This is another one that was trending this morning again, and I don't really know why, because it hasn't been moving higher. So this is one that I was looking at, and I am a little interested in getting at the level that it is currently at, but the volume has fallen off so drastically. Bora is apparently the dog from Dog with Hat. Okay, so this Dog with Hat coin that keeps trending here and is done phenomenal to go to a $361 million market cap. this dog, the name of it is apparently Bora, and I gotta click here. And Bora has been trending over the last couple of days. So I don't know if it's going to turn into anything or not. Superman! What did it do? Came back down. Superman came back down and is now using this level as a level of resistance. So please watch out for that. But, dude, nonetheless, doubling in price this morning. Going from 4 zeros and a 6 to 3 zeros and a 13. So Superman not dying out just yet. Pinky still sitting at a $2.4 million market cap. Continues to test that $2 million market cap level of resistance. So you got all these meme coins out there. Hopefully you guys are doing well on them. J-Bone 6 days ago. Is that the one I looked at or no? Let's see which one I was looking at. Yeah, that's the one I was looking at. I would just be slightly concerned about it with the liquidity like that, man. Locking it for 4 days might just be for show. And then this one, this baby TFI, down heavy in value this morning after ripping up nicely this morning to 4 cents, currently sitting at 1 cent. So I don't know if it's going to make a bounce back or not, but, dude, I don't know, man. If you guys got some Solana, I'd be checking out these Solana meme coins here because, I mean, just look. In the last couple of minutes, this coin we were watching went from 14 back up to 17. That is, what, like a 30% gain right there? You can't beat it, man. Cybria will be the new Solana. Russell, I absolutely hope Cybria will be the new Solana. Is Cybria a layer 2? Is it just an Ethereum token or is it a layer 1? I forget what Cybria is. TGC, guys, Telegram Casino, that one video I did a couple sponsored videos, or the coin I did a couple sponsored videos on, is up nicely again today. 25% gain. Actually even more. 32% gain to a 23.5 cent price point. So not too bad at all there. Dude, look at this trending coin here. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe that Honk is trending on CoinMarketCap right now. That's wild, man. Let's see what we have. Cybria. Cybria down to that 004 level, which is better than the 003 that it was at. So if we're looking at this monthly graph right here, we can see that it came down, tested that 003 area, bounced up a little bit. Doesn't seem to want to break back through this level of resistance right here, and might be curling back over. So if it does break down through this 003, you got one last little level here. Well, 035. You got one last little level at 003. And then I would be concerned about it coming all the way back down here. If it comes all the way back down here, it could absolutely be time to load up. So make sure to keep your eye on it. But it does seem to be an Ethereum token. I don't know what all they have going on, though, in terms of their project, Empowering Decentralized Security by AI, the next evolution. As we hope so. Cybria Layer 2. Police solutions for your blockchain. Alright. Staking, Cybria testnet, Cybria mainnet. Alright, so it does seem to be a layer 2 blockchain here, right? It seems to be a layer 2 blockchain, which is not bad if you can get the transactions and if it can get the use. It could definitely turn into something, man. Amazing team members. Hector, Caleb, Jason, and Satsuki. I don't know if Satsuki's a real name there, kid. Might be, though. Might be. Honorarium! Okay, let's see if stickers are working today. Are they? Nope! Are they working? Nope! Are they working? Nope! What a counterintuitive sticker, man. Because nope, if they were not working, I would say yep if they were working. But it's nope because you sent a nope sticker. Honorarium, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate it. And thank you again for sending yesterday. Even though they weren't working, I do thank you for sending yesterday, man. Let's You know what? Let's watch Bitcoin play out for a little while. I want to see Bitcoin play out here. And I don't know if Bitcoin's going to be coming up or down at the moment. But, man, it has had nothing but strength all morning long. So we're going to see if that strength continues on, if it finds a little bit leg of support and bounces up and breaks through 42, or if it starts to erode a little bit and comes back down to 41, 40, and so on. Mochi, yeah, Mochi is another one that has been trending, Bender. I saw that the other day. Dark Bro opened me up to a dark world. Dang, these crap coins. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know what, J-Bones, man, I will say, a lot of them are crap, and a lot of them will go back down to nothing very, very soon. Like that Jesus Crusto coin I was showing you this morning. I did make some money off of it. I got in, got out. It was a little over a 10% gain, but you truly never know, man. If these people throw some money in, as soon as they take it out, it dumps the price of the coin, and you can sit there and you can let it ride and hope for the best. But, dude, you can hit these 10, 15, 20, 40, 50, 100% gains in a matter of minutes if you're sitting there watching it. So, we'll keep our eyes on it and see if any new tokens hit the list today. This is one that I am interested in right here. I truly believe that this one probably will fall back down a little bit. These coins and the hype surrounding them are obviously high right now, but if this establishes itself, even if it comes back down into this area right here, and it establishes itself as a legitimate T coin for 2024 on the Solana network, well, dude, as the election picks up later this year, these coins could be ripping wild. So this is one that I do have them. You know what? I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this on a notepad real quick in case they decide to let it stop trending. I'm gonna put this on a notepad so I've got it. Alright. I'll have that one I can look at if it dumps off later today and get back into. But yeah, well, let's keep our eyes on this a little bit. This Wen coin is also fake news, I believe. Yeah, something's going on with this one. I looked at this one earlier today. $63,000 in the liquidity pool, spiking up to $360,000. There's something wrong with this graph right here. So I'm not terribly interested in this one since something got weird going on. But if we see something new jump up on the top of this page right here, we'll see how it plays out so that you guys can get a little bit better feel for these meme coins that are just popping up out of nowhere. And the fact that they are not guaranteed to make money, but you certainly can make money if you get in early and get out. Cyber Layer 2 with AI. Russell, man, very nice. Pudgy, good morning to you. Email, get 2 large pizzas for $10. Each? 2 large pizzas for $10, not a bad idea. But I don't know if it's each. Give me every day, every time. Like, I really do need pizza today. I'm telling you, man, if you can get 2 large pizzas for $10, do it. If it's 2 large pizzas for $10 each, just go to Sam's Club. Sam's Club pizza is actually pretty good, guys. I didn't even realize that the other day. Till the other day, I had some Sam's Club pizza over at my mom's house, and it's actually pretty good. I gotta admit. Shout out to Sam's Club for making pizza. SUI is still holding strong. Lonnie, SUI is doing well. Celestia is doing well. I don't know if Giovanni's out there or not. Celestia, $16+ when I looked this morning. When I was trying to get myself a little bit of a dip buying opportunity, it said no thank you. And it's back up 10, almost 11% right now. $16.52 on Celestia. Let's see where SUI is. SUI is at $1.33, $1.4 billion market cap. It is still doing excellent. I'm telling you right now, man, all of these coins seem to be doing so well and are so strong over the last couple of months, man, that it begs the question, Can that sort of activity continue on? The answer is yes, okay? But I've seen a couple different people, cryptocurrency executives, CEOs from these exchanges, saying that they do expect a pullback in Bitcoin over the next 2 months, leading into March, possibly back down into the $20,000 range. Low 20s to mid 20s is what they're saying. Now, I don't know if these guys are going to be correct or not. But what I do know is if they are, that may be the last load up opportunity before this next bull run. Now, the next bull run, I really don't expect to take place until 2025. So if you can slowly accumulate over the next year, do it. But if you want to be able to accumulate potentially, the recent bottoms, I don't know if we'll hit new lows, but the recent bottoms potentially being in the lower 20s to mid 20s, we might not get that far. It might just be 30s on Bitcoin. You're going to have to take advantage of it and just be willing to continue averaging in if you expect to be here for the bull market of potentially end of 2024, end of 2025 time frame. I'm going to be here. I hope you guys are here too, because it's more fun if you are, but I'm going to be here whether you guys are here or not. Hey, you think it's late to get into Celsius? I don't know what Celsius is. I think we looked at it the other day, though. I mean, I don't think it's too late to get into anything. I don't think it's too late to get into Bitcoin, right? Is it this one? Dude, with a $43 million market cap, the answer is no. I don't think it's going to be too late to get into this. But it has been... is this the one you're talking about here? I mean, my goodness, dude. This actually looks really good at these levels. No. I do not think that it is too late to get into Celsius. I actually think the Celsius is looking pretty good at these levels. If this is the Celsius that you were talking about right here, the only sort of concern that I have on this token is why did it not perform as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency market over the last year? Basically, everything is up and up nicely, but Celsius is down pretty heavy. It's not due to dilution because the market cap is also down pretty heavy. Now, it did bounce nicely from 14 cents up to 30 cents. That's a nice double of your money since October. But it just seems to be on a downward trend instead of an upward trend over the last year. And I don't know the answer to that. So if this is the coin you're talking about, unless this bad boy dies out, I'm going to say no, it is not too late to get into Celsius. Let's see here. But I don't know what this coin is, right? If that coin is associated with the company that went bankrupt back when Voyager was going bankrupt, yes, it's too late to get into them. I would not buy them. Don't do that if that's the company that went bankrupt. I'd like to see Bitcoin pull back a tiny bit here. This rally could be more sustainable. Yeah, old rounder, absolutely. Anytime you do see these little pullbacks, people always complain that oh man, we're coming back down a couple $100. We're coming back down $1,000. This is terrible. This is crazy. Nobody do this. Well, dude, it just gives people the next leg up, man. It makes it viewed as cheap again. So, yeah, Bitcoin's sitting here at 41.8. It had a beautiful 5% rise today. A very, very quick rise to test this level of resistance. I don't know where we would pull back to, but any sort of a little pullback, man, would absolutely make this rally more sustainable. Maybe mid-30 range on Bitcoin. Yeah, so I read an article this morning with somebody talking about the mid-20 range on Bitcoin. And dude, with the ETF approvals and everything, I would find it difficult to fall all the way back down to that low to mid 20 range unless they started some nonsense again, and I really don't know what they could start up, unless inflation became ridiculous, where Jerome Powell's like, no, we're not lowering interest rates, the economy's not there, and he starts talking trash about the economy. I do find it difficult to see like a 50% decline in the price of Bitcoin from the current levels. So, yeah, man, like disregarding some unforeseen issue, I would say you're probably more correct. Low to mid 30s would be my price range on a Bitcoin pullback there. Honorarium, I missed the dip. No, it's all right. No toast. Might have been the last one. No. Clay should have bought Celestia, not Celsia. I was looking at Celestia this morning, man, and by the time I looked at it, it was already still above $16. And I'm like, dude, Celestia is never going to stink and dip. Celestia is never going to dip. It's the energy drink. Oh, the stock, though. Celsius stock. Oh, yeah, dude, Celsius stock is looking phenomenal. We looked at that the other day. CELH here. The stock has been performing phenomenally over the last couple of years, man. I mean, you look at it going from 6 stinking cents in 2013 to $68. This company has just, it has ripped. Look at it back in 2008, man. Not even 1 penny. Going to $68.95. This is the type of stuff that you wish you just held in your portfolio forever, man. That's the type of stuff that makes you believe, oh yeah, I'm just going to buy it and forget about it. So, Russell, you are correct on that. Celsius Energy Drink Company, CELH, the stock is a phenomenal graph, man. Let's see, 37-cent entry on XRP. Anything between 45 to 55 cents is a strong buy for me. Pullbacks or buys, buy. He's got himself a little NSYNC, a song going on in his head, Lonnie does. Any little dip, baby, bye. Yes, Lonnie knows it. Gary, what time zone are you in? I think Gary's East Coast, right? Because I was talking like 5, my time is Pacific time. Gotcha. So, Gary, honorarium, you guys might be on different sides of the country. AKT and Pendle didn't really come down at all on the drop. Giovanni, these coins, man, just be glad that you're in Celestia, right? Be glad you're in Celestia, not missing out like me. We don't want them to lower rates right now. Why do we not want them to lower rates right now, Lonnie? Are we not ready for it? We still need more dip buying opportunities? Or what do we got here? Celsius Stock Energy Drink, yes. How are the votes? How are the votes on what, Yankee? How are the votes on what? 237 entry on Celestia. Go Celestia. Oh my gosh, dude. Lonnie, you and Giovanni must have been getting into Celestia at the exact same time. Absolutely stole it at 237, man. Oh my goodness. 237 entry on Celestia. Very, very nicely done. Let's see what these coins are doing here. See if we got any major pullbacks. Nope, no major pullback right here. Any new tokens trending? Let's see what we got. With Honk, Wen, Punks, Solana, Miro, T, Bonk, Mock Jup, Win. No new ones trending at the moment either. So we're going to have to watch these play out for a little while right here. But I'm telling you, man, this coin has done nothing but go up all day long. I really would like a little bit of a dip. I don't know, man. Maybe one of these whales that got in down here can just sell off and cause a nice like 70% decline from these levels and allow me to jump in, because yeah, that would allow me to get in here. What is this? 1.5 million. How many? I don't think it's going to go to $1. 47 billion coins outstanding. I don't know if that one's going to get to $1. That would have to equal Shiba Inu coin all-time high levels. Wouldn't be impossible, though, man. It wouldn't be impossible this year for something like that to take place. Gary, as long as that works for you, we'll keep it for you. Okay, what is this? I'm Eastern, so it'll be 8 p.m. my time. All right, you guys must be collaborating on something. Profam, confirmed today. Baby girl due June. Is that June 6th? Or you already know that she's only going to be 6 pounds? What are we talking about here, Gorilla? Either way, man, congratulations. We got a baby girl on the way. Gorilla Invictus, man. Congratulations on that. I think that's absolutely awesome, dude. Like I said, 30 minutes to an hour, give or take. Yes, it was. When Celestia was in the $2 range, I had to jump on it. Too many major exchanges. Yeah, Giovanni, dude, and it was just listed, right? When it came out of that $2 range, it was just listed. I remember we were talking about it. I think it was around the time that Bitcoin was beginning its nice little run there, and I think it had like a $250 to $200 million market cap. So it seemed like it was listed at a very high price point. It certainly wasn't no meme coin, but yeah, man, I think you guys, you, Lonnie, and anybody else, jumping in on Celestia in that $2 range, you guys absolutely killed it. Awesome, Gorilla. So happy for you, bro. Absolutely. And thank you, Gorilla. Absolutely, man. It works great for me. Honorarium. Sweet. Thanks, fam. Thanks, fam. Thanks, fam. SD saying congratulations as well. Man, look at T just jumping up from 15 to 17 right there. You guys can't hold this coin down. But congratulations to you, Gorilla. I think that's absolutely awesome. And maybe if the rest of the bros are awake, they will say congratulations as well. Building the family out there, Gorilla. Hopefully that new little bro has a wonderful and healthy life ahead of it. Giovanni, we were early on Celestia, brother. That you were. And I think the Celestia, man, if it turns into something, it could be supporting tens of billions of dollars in valuation one day. So, barring some sort of a dip in the overall market, I think you guys are going to be doing awesome on Celestia there. J-Bone saying congratulations. Yankee saying congratulations. Johnny Quest waking up and saying congratulations. Thank you guys very much for congratulating Gorilla on his beautiful new baby girl due on June 6th. AMC, guys, AMC trying its best not to die out here. Bouncing up this morning to $4.26, but dipping right now back down to $4.16. The all-time low is $4.01. Of course, if it cannot maintain the support levels from yesterday at $4.07, I do expect to be testing $4.01 again, possibly even that $3 range here in the next couple of days or especially in the next couple of weeks. Shiba Inu coin still looking pretty strong today, up 2% on the day. Not getting a ton of volume, though. I hate it when Shiba Inu coin's candles look like this and it doesn't have a bunch of volume out there, but nonetheless, a 2% gain today. GameStop sitting at break even. And Bitcoin, dude, can you stop it? No, you can't. Bitcoin sitting at $41,915 right now. It wants nothing with purple candles, but it wants everything with green candles. Bitcoin sitting at $41,917, up 4.5% on the day. Today's actually a very good day for cryptocurrency. My gosh, man. 4% gains in Bitcoin, 2% gains in these altcoins. It's looking very good. Geopet saying congrats, bro. Yes, Gorilla. That's enough for a hockey team, man. Congratulations. There you go. The Gorilla's doing something right out there. Let's see. The T MAGA, the buck 43 one. Is that a meme coin? The one with 47 million supply. Let me put it this way, Giovanni. Yes. If it's not, I would say this. If it's not associated with the guy that it's created about, if it's not associated with the show that it's created about, if just some random team puts it together, yes, it is a meme coin. Okay. Now, there could be some sort of a different situation, right? Like if they create a T coin and it's like legitimate campaign purposes or something very strange like that. I don't think you're going to be seeing that out of the T campaign or anything, but at that point it wouldn't be a meme. But I would say any of these coins that you do see created for any presidential candidate, any show that is not associated with a show, I mean, any meme, it would definitely be a meme coin. But yeah, dude, it's going to be a meme coin because it's not going to be associated with the person that it's created about. So I would say yes. And the fact that it's back down to $1.43 means that it could be a decent buying opportunity since it was literally trading at like $2.20 the other day. So let's see where we are with that one. Was it 2024 or just... it was this one here. Yeah, so if you look at the daily chart, you can see it is back down over the last couple of days, but peaking at $2.25. Dude, if this bad boy drops back down to these support levels down here at 18 cents and so on, yeah, it's time for me to get in on this one if that's the case. Sitting at a $66 million market cap, though, okay? Something like the one that we were just watching could absolutely go up to a $66 million market cap. You just got to be aware that it is elevated today, and the current price trajectory can or may not continue. So just be willing to take a risk on some of these things, but never risk more than you're willing to lose and so on. What I notice on this coin right now, this ascending trend line has held up perfectly. I would start to get a little concerned if these higher lows begin to get broken here. So all morning long, you've been sitting on this ride right here. Let's put it this way. Wicking down just below these levels. If this level gets broken, okay, if this ascending trend line no longer holds up, then I would be slightly concerned. Now, it can wick. But if you start to confirm that move to the downside, I would expect a pullback in this coin. This coin has done nothing but follow this trend line all morning long today and could provide another opportunity to get in if, of course, it comes in, the hype dies down a little bit, and then people jump in to trade it a couple days from now. Big families are awesome, Gorilla. Congrats, my friend. Thank you all. Very excited for my basketball team +1. Very nice. Gorilla, that's awesome, man. Internet computer rebounding nicely. Lonnie, I haven't looked at internet computer over the last couple of days. We'll pull that up here in a second. And next price jump of the trumpet coins probably after the SC verdict. And you know what, Malcolm? It absolutely could be. I don't know if we're going to see some sort of a major pullback before then or what, but let me ask this question. Does anybody in here legitimately believe that these coins will not see exceeded hype throughout this year? And I really don't care. Like, you could hate on the guy if you want and so on, but like, put that aside for a second. I really think that these presidential candidate coins will be getting a lot of attention this year. The same way, you know, other meme coins of the past have gotten a lot of attention. Why? Because this is going to be an insane election year. I mean, dude, anywhere you turn. Look, a lot of your favorite cryptocurrency, meme stock, investment YouTubers, social media influencers, and so on, they cannot resist the urge to discuss politics. Now, a couple of reasons that politics do so well is because they are so polarizing. So it's almost impossible not to leave a comment on a video that you either agree with strongly or disagree with strongly. So the engagement is naturally higher. But dude, the fact that you've got these influencers who are used to shilling tokens or talking about investments and so on have already moved over to the side of politics. And the fact that these coins are going to be running the way that they are this year, it only makes perfect sense to me that these other people mention them as well, and that we could absolutely see some fantastic performance over the next year. The only question is, how high will all of this stuff go? I wish I knew the answer, but I don't know the answer. Did Bitcoin ETF token ever get launched? Yeah, Giovanni, I believe that it did, man. let's see if I can pull up the website. Well, let's just see if we can see Bitcoin ETF here. Yeah, this is the one. I think this is the one right here. Launched a month ago, down to 0.002. I know that has to be down from where it was at, because I swear, wasn't it at like 5 cents or something? Oh, okay, so it was 0.006, currently sitting at 0.002. It's seen some major sell-offs, but yes, it has been launched here. And we had our lines of support and resistance on it. Once, dude, this is, I mean, this just shows you the importance of these support and resistance levels, right? Couldn't break it. Couldn't break it. Couldn't break it. But look at the support level we had on it. What happened when that support level was broken? Exactly what is supposed to happen when support levels are broken. It absolutely ripped lower. So the moment this support at 0.004 was broken, boom, major sell-off ensued, and in one day lost 50% of its value. Coming down here to bottom out and potentially test a new level of support at the current level that it's sitting at 0.002. If this level does get broken, which it wants to be broken right now, if this level does get broken, I would absolutely expect another major decline in the price of this coin. So please just keep your eyes out on this one. If it bounces off, you could be doubling your money, but if it ends up selling off and confirming a downside move right there, I'd be very cautious of another decline. This bad boy trending today, man, if this one comes back down to this level in here, you could absolutely be picking up a steal on this one as well. A lot of these Ethereum tokens, T2024, look at this one. This is that MAGA one I think we just looked at, $1.40. Yeah. These tokens here, Troll is still trending. Troll, 7 zeros and a 4. I don't know if Caesar is still in this or not. But this coin coming back down. Dude, if this coin comes back down to where it was here at 8 zeros, 9 zeros and a 10, 8 zeros and an 8, this could absolutely be one. So let's see. I'm going to take this one. Okay. I'm going to put a couple of these on a notepad here so that I can make sure I keep an eye on them. And then I want this one. All right. I got a couple of those there. I can keep an eye on that stuff in case it starts moving. But, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, I really do expect a lot of action in these presidential candidate coins throughout this year this year. And how is this bouncing back already? My goodness. I thought for sure this coin would be dead. Yet here you are with a potential 5x if you would have gotten in this morning. Man. To me, this is actually crazy. Coming down here, finding support at like a $5,000 to $10,000 liquidity pool. And a ridiculously low, like $20,000 market cap. Yet it's getting ready to break back up above that level of support that I had on the screen yesterday. And this is where I bought in and sold off for like a 10% gain, which I'm glad I did not hold it all the way down here. But, dude, this one seems to be gaining some traction again today as volume is potentially picking back up and doing about $4,000 or $5,000 every 5 minutes or so. So the fact that this is throwing some nice greens on there, you could be gearing up for a nice run back up to these levels. Just keep your eyes on that one as well. These meme coins, man, they're getting ready to go. Just give me a green name, homie. Notos. It was probably, if you got it yesterday, it would have been Ken. Ken sent out 25 green names yesterday. If it was before yesterday, it very well could be Moji, but it depends on when you got it. Let's see. It's the best community on YouTube. No toast. This is the best community on YouTube, man. Got my $100 P&T claim with the VA loaded up, or hold on, my 100 P&T. I don't even know what that means, man. Finally got my 100 P&T claim with VA loaded up my bags. No toast. Very nice, man. J-Bone's giving Gary some guidance on how to start his own token. Okay. Still can't believe Bonk hit 1 billion in this market. Malcolm, isn't it nuts? That's the same way that people think about Shib, though. How did Shib ever hit a $50 billion valuation? Makes no sense, doesn't it? Let's see. My internet is down. Oh, no. Dropped internet connection. Honorarium. What's up, bros? I think this upcoming week is going to be great crypto week. Let's get started. Martin, man. Absolutely. Made some money off Bitcoin ETF and sold earlier this month. Really early this month. Hey, Giovanni, very good, dude, very good. Obviously, you're talking about the other Ethereum token, the other Bitcoin ETF that you had, right? Turn it off and on again. That's the best solution there ever is to internet problems. Jasmy and Dogecoin to the moon. Fernando, I haven't had anybody talk about Jasmy in a while. Let's take a look at Jasmy real quick and see where it's at. But Jasmy, I think, is anybody besides Rozzy in Jasmy in here? I don't own any. I've never owned any Jasmy, but it's currently sitting on a $250 million market cap. Actually doing pretty well, 7% gain on the day today. The year, not too bad, basically sitting pretty steady. But this chart is deceiving because, of course, the market cap, or the dilution, has drastically dropped the price of this coin. The market cap is about 50% lower than its recent highs, and about a 5x gain to its all-time high market cap. So please just watch out for that. Don't be expecting to see, 100x gains, 200x gains in Jasmy because this price chart looks great. It doesn't look as cheap, or it's not as cheap as it looks because of the dilution that took place. Use the market cap as your graph and as your guide, and not necessarily this move right here. But let's go back out here just for a second towards the end of the stream. I don't know if this is going to hold up or not, man. But this would be a buying opportunity if this level right here does hold up. This ascending trend line has held all morning long. So just keep your eyes on it if you guys are interested in trading that coin. Pedal faster. Always pedal faster. I have 20,000 Jasmy. Gary's got some Jasmy. Rozzy's got some Jasmy. Sold in Jasmy, but dropped it some time ago. Geoped, all right. Matt Perry bullish on it. Yeah, I have seen Matt Perry do a couple of videos on Jasmy. He's probably pretty bullish there. Why do people keep talking about altcoin season? When is altcoin season? Giovanni, altcoin season is, the definition of it is when altcoins are running at a much, much faster pace than Bitcoin. Let me try to summarize it like this at the end of the live stream here. Altcoin season happens in the cyclical nature of the market. So when you go from a bear market to a bull market, when you're bearish, that means that people are only investing in the most conservative things. Bonds, money market accounts, and simply savings accounts, right? They don't want to risk their money. As they cycle towards a bull market scenario, they start to move from those more secure, safe assets to riskier assets. So altcoin season would theoretically happen at the top of the bull market. Okay? People are 100% ready to risk it all. They've seen nothing but gains for a while. The FOMO has kicked in, and people are willing to buy the riskiest of the risky because everything is looking good and everything is gaining big. So altcoin season is typically the peak of the cryptocurrency and stock market bull market swings. So when people begin saying, now is altcoin season, what you should probably be thinking is, now is when I should really begin to consider taking my profit. When these idiots in the mainstream media start saying, the bubble is about to pop, okay? They're going to convince everybody that the bubble is about to pop. Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to pop that day. It could pop 6 months from then. but just start gearing up to shave some profits and lock up your gains. And that ascending trend line seems to still be holding up right now. But guys, it is past 1 o'clock. We're going to keep our eyes on all these coins all afternoon. And, of course, we will be back later this afternoon with a live stream. Appreciate every single one of you guys for keeping the live going, keeping the live awesome, and being the best bros out there, man. We got shout-outs coming across, so make sure to get your name in the chat right now. Honorarium Gary, see you later. Honorarium Roulette Wheel, have a great one. Next level, see you later, man. Geoped, Tommy, Moji, Gary, Honorarium, Suzuki, Honorarium. We got Moji, Honorarium, Suzuki, Old Rounder, Gary, Next Level, Gary, Giovanni, Honorarium, Johnny Quest. Have a great afternoon, my friend. Master, see you later. Honorarium, see you later. Peace out to you, Bender. Later, bros. Later, Geoped. Honorarium, SD, J-Bones, Moji, Pudgy, anybody else in here right now. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.